Hey guys, got a Whirlpool roper washer and dryer set. I just wanted to show you that they work perfect. They're actually in like new condition, no issues with them whatsoever, just a few years old. So just wanted to show you that they do in fact work. Got a large towel and jeans load going here, and as you can hear, it's agitating. Excellent job. It's already been through the wash cycle. It's on rinse and then it'll spin, and I'll let you hear that final spin cycle and show you that the clothes, all the water has been spun out. And then we'll move them over to the dryer and let you hear that dryer and show you that it is in fact heating. That way you know that both of these units work perfectly before you spend your money on them. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, we'll come back for the spin cycle and then get everything moved over to the dryer. And now we are in the spin cycle. As you can see, it's working great. It's nice and quiet, nice and level. Okay, needs it finished up here. Excellent, nice and light. As you can see, there's no excess water in these whatsoever. That's the important thing to check for whenever you buy used, is make sure that they spin out correctly. And these are good to go into the dryer. So I will get those moved over for you and show you that it is heating properly and sounds and runs great. Okay, so that is cleaned out. I'll close in there, close it, just put it on automatic, hit start. As you can see, it runs great. Sounds great. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating. The outside temperature. Here we go. We'll light that up and put the laser sight on it. So, okay. On the inside, right inside that heating element tubes where the heat actually pumps out of, then the inside temperature will heat up anywhere between 100 and 175, just depends on what's in there on the automatic setting. But getting plenty of heat, working great. So we'll let those finish up there. So now you know that they wash and dry correctly. Everything works perfectly. So if you have any questions, please reach out. I'd be glad to get back to you. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Y'all have a good day. Quick, after rewatching that video, it sounded kind of loud with those clothes in there, but it's mostly a lot of jeans and towels. So I just wanted you to hear it with nothing inside of it real quick, just so you know it's smooth. There you go. Can't even hardly tell it's on. I just want anyone to think there was a thumping or anything like that, because there's not. But when those jeans are rolling around with the towels and stuff, it can get kind of loud. But otherwise, there you go. Thanks.